Welcome to the GLAC Studios oil painting tutorial. I'm Gomati Sivasankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. I welcome you all to oil painting session on Santhana Lakshmi, learning this from scratch. So this is one of the 8 paintings that I have made in the form of tutorials as well that talk about oil painting from the basics to the advanced level, but also consider art in the form of celebrating diversity and empowering girl children. So these are concepts that I have taken references from a very well-known Indian tradition, the Goddess Lakshmi, that is known for all the positive propensities of life, is depicted in 8 different forms called Ashta Lakshmi. 8. Ashta refers to 8, the number 8. And these 8 different forms are really known for all the positive propensities of life. And this particular Lakshmi that I have taken for this subject is called Santhana Lakshmi. And Santhana refers to children, relationship in a broader sense. And this Lakshmi is the goddess of progeny, therefore. So I have taken this reference together with the image of girl. So there are girl children instead of the usual women goddesses represented. And I have also made sure that the girl children that I've selected are coming from 8 different countries for these paintings. And this particular painting is a 40 by 50 centimeter oil on canvas. And I chose an Australian girl for this painting. And since it's a goddess of progeny, there should also be the child coming up. And I chose a multicultural background baby girl for this picture. So there are 3 different references that will be the key to working on this painting, plus jewelry references coming from the country of origin of this girl. So these are completely different references. And when you work with me in this 11 hours or so for this painting, you will get to understand how can we really use multiple references that are completely different from each other to create a new storyline, to convey the message of diversity, to empower girl children aside from working on your own artwork. So this is also done in a structural manner. So you get to see how this idea transforms into a possibility and then moves to this final picture, step by step, together with me. And this being one of the toughest in the 8 for me as well, you get to see a lot of challenges that I work with and how do I do it and how did I evolve this idea as well. So I hope you embark on this journey together with me and learn to do Santhana Lakshmi together with a baby girl. And also create or strengthen yourself as an artist, not just an artist, but somebody that can go beyond the comfort zone to experiment with new ideas, blend in new ideas and techniques, and create more strong diversity messages. I wish you to stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, stay motivated, stay curious to be this best artist, but also to be this global citizen that can celebrate diversity and empower girl children. Spread the message along when you are learning to paint as well. Thank you.